Guys, so I will try to answer this Hackerrank questions. It's about plus minus, so it should be an easy questions. Yeah. So the problem is we will have an array of integers, and then we need to uh, calculate the percentage of each elements, whether it's positive, negative, and zero. And the output should be 6 digits after the commas in after the decimals. So if you see it here, yeah, it's 6 digits after the decimal, and the input is array of integers, and the output is a double. And based on the example that they gave, this is the example of input 110 minus 1 minus 1. So the total size is 5 with 2 positive, 2 negative, and 1 0. That's why the output they gave is 0.4, 0.4, and 0.2, because 2 positive from 5 is 0.4, 2 negative from 5 is 0.4, and 1 0 from 5 is 0.2. So let's try to solve it. My idea is, because we don't know how many numbers that is gonna be in positive and negative and zero, so then we cannot use array, but I'm gonna use array list, because the size can be there is no initial size, and then you can always add more to it. I will create another 3 of these. One is for positive, one is for negative, and one for zero. And from here I need to iterate through the array input, and from there I will check whether the value is positive, the value is negative, or the value is zero, and then add the check into each of a collection. So if I positive, then I need to add it into the positive. If I is negative, then it should be added into the negative collection. Other than that, it should be zero, and it should be added to the zero collection. So after we have added all of these items into its respective collection, then we need to print it out with the format of 6 number after the decimal. How to do that? Wait, there is a string format, and then you need to specify it like this, if I'm not mistaken. But all of this you can find it out in the Java API documentation. And since our value is an integer, but we are supposed to have a double, then we need to cast it into double. What is double? And then we put the percentage size, and then we do it the same with all of the negative and the positive. Let's see if it's working. Okay, this is positive, negative, this is zero. We added everything, we put the formatting, which we cast it into double. Yeah, right. Let's just run it, and let's see. Yeah, so everything is passed. But this is only 2 test cases. We need to try it to submit the code because they will have more test cases into it. Let's see if it's also passed the other test cases. Yeah, it passed. So that is how we okay. So that is how we solve this problem. It's pretty straightforward. First, you need to create a collection to put your positive, negative, and zero, and then you iterate into it and then check each number whether the number is positive. If it's positive, put into the positive collection. If it's negative, put into the negative collection. If it's zero, also add it into the zero collections. And then after that, you print it out based on the format that they would like to have, which is 6 places after the decimal. And then you calculate the ratios, which is the the size of the positive divided by the size of the total input that they gave. It's pretty simple. Okay, see you in the other video about solving another problem in the Hackerrank. Bye.